Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Tesla Cyberquad, and yeah, I don't know. I bought this for 9.9 ringgits. I guess I don't remember now because they didn't mention the price here. Okay, so let's unbox and see how this one looks. Okay, this one is a new casting for 2025, and let's see how it looks. Honestly, I don't have much hopes for this casting because most of this is going to be plastic. That is my prediction, but let's see. Who knows? Hotwheels might surprise us. Okay. So here it is. So the first impressions. Okay, the casting looks really good. Okay. So this part here, the black painted ones, this is metal. This is plastic. This is plastic. The chassis is plastic. Wait. Sorry. I don't know, man. That looks like metal. Yeah, it's a metal chassis. Sorry, guys. It's a metal chassis, and this part here is metal, and this part here is entirely plastic. And the front fenders here, this is plastic. This looks futuristic. I'm not going to say no. I know I don't disagree on that one. But the casting looks really nice. It has tail light details here. I'm really not sure about this. Whether this is supposed to be headlight. I guess you can see it here. That white part here, the paint. So usually they paint headlights, on the front. So I'm guessing that is the headlight. But overall, it is a good casting. Okay, maybe 33 grams, I guess. Let's see. Okay. Okay, 25 grams. Okay, that's too bad on my side. Okay, so now let's do a roll test. Okay, before that, I just want to showcase you one more thing, guys. The Hot Wheels logo, it is just that flaming symbol only, doesn't have any lettering or anything there. But okay, let's do a roll test now. Okay, it doesn't roll really well. I'm not sure if it is having contact with both sides of the track. No, it does have a lot of space to move around. Okay, let's try from this end. No, doesn't even roll really well. Okay, one more time. Come on. No, it reaches the same place. So when it comes to rolling, this doesn't roll really well. But I don't see much of any wheel wobble on or anything on this. So in that particular point of view, that is really good. Which means the axle is not bent inside. I really wish this was movable, but they are not going to do that. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.